Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS platform. I am Kunjan Jan and I would request all of you to please like and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment regarding your suggestions and words of appreciation if you are enjoying watching my videos. Today we are going to discuss May to August basic speaking topics. So the first topic for today is neighborhood. The very first question is, do you like the area that you live in? Definitely. I really enjoy living in the area where I am residing currently, as it is equipped with well constructed roads and it is a posh locality. There is a lot of greenery in the area where I am residing, and there is regular cleanliness of roads as well as parks are maintained in the local area where I am residing. The next question is, do you know any famous people in your local area? Yes, there are some famous people from my local area, as there are many artists residing in my local area. I would like to mention also that the councillor of our local area is also residing in our local area in my street only, and we have a good relationship with him. Where do you like to go in that area? Well, there is a beautiful park constructed in my local area and I really go there every morning for morning walk. It gives me a lot of peace, as there is serenity and tranquility in the environment, and the chirping of birds, it has a very good impact on my mind. So I really enjoy visiting the park that is constructed in my local area. What are some recent changes in your local area? A lot of changes keep coming on in my local area. Recently, the roads have been constructed once again, and a new park is also being built in my area. The next topic is countryside. Countryside means villages or rural area. The first question is, what do you usually do in the countryside? I really enjoy visiting the countryside, as my hometown is located there, and I enjoy taking swings, staying under the trees and enjoying the nature. I feel in the lap of nature whenever I am in the countryside area. Have you ever lived in the countryside? Yes, I have not actually lived, but I have stayed in the rural area, as my hometown is located there. So whenever we have vacations, I visit my maternal aunt's house and we stay there for almost a month and enjoy the tasty natural food and fruits, as well as we also enjoy the beautiful nature. Would you enjoy living in the countryside? Not really, as the countryside areas are short of many facilities that urban areas have. So staying there and living there are two different things, and I would definitely prefer to be a part of urban area and not any rural area. Will you live in the countryside in future? Yes, when I retire, I would love to live in the rural area where my hometown is, so that I stay connected to my roots. Although my heart is in my hometown, but I do not go there because of the lack of facilities that the villages suffer from. So in my near future, whenever and I am about to retire, I would definitely settle there and live there. The next topic is public holidays. How many public holidays do you have in your country? Well, we have many public holidays in our country, as we have 3 national holidays which are related to Gandhi Jayanti, that is the birth of Mahatma Gandhi. Also, we have a national holiday on 26th January, that is Republic Day, and 15th of August, that is Independence Day. Besides that, we have many public holidays related to different festivals and many important dates. Which public holiday is your favorite? Well, the public holiday that I enjoy the most is the holiday of Independence Day, as I enjoy watching the parade that is telecasted on television every year. What do you usually do on a public holiday? Holidays are a medium to break the monotony, and that is why holidays have been invented and holidays have been introduced. So I also sit back and relax. Besides, I do my household chores which I am not able to do in my regular routine. Also, if I have surplus time, I do invest some time in shopping and buying things of house. Do you think people need more public holidays? Well, if I talk about my country, we have enough public holidays, and if other countries are concerned, it is definitely the decision of the countries. But yes, there is a need of sufficient amount of public holidays so that people get sufficient break from their monotonous routine. Next topic is related to age. Do you like your current age? Yes, I have enjoyed every phase and every stage of my life, and I am also enjoying the current age that I am in. What do you like about it? Well, in my current age, I am married and I have two little daughters. I really enjoy spending time with them. I believe that I have become more responsible and more independent, as well as I feel that I have learned a lot and I have become more compassionate and loving as well as understanding. There are many changes that have come to me in this age, as I was a very repulsive and arrogant type of girl prior, but as I entered this age, I have become very calm and composed. At what age do you think people are happiest? Well, according to me, people are happiest in their childhood, as they are free from any worries, any tensions and any difficulties. Childhood time is the best time, the as the child is unaware of all the circumstances and all the things that are going around him or her. The child only enjoys the good things about life. What was the most important decision you have made? Well, there are many important decisions that we make in our lives, and one of the most important decisions that I have made in my life is to move abroad, as I'm really keen to move abroad, and that I believe is the best decisions that I have made in my life. That's all for today's video. I hope you all are clear with all the questions. If there is any doubt regarding any answer, you can always comment to me. Thank you so much.